Welcome back to another video. Today we have three different tool deals for you guys and a hack from the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon to so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way you to represent the platform by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. All right, big shout out to Mr. Mendoza at the Deal Team 6, and big shout out to owner at the Deal Team 6. Let's start with this one. With the factory authorized outlets, they do sell Milwaukee, so this is a really nice deal. Get two 5 amp hour batteries for $199. You get to select a free tool. You get to select a blower, a router, a jigsaw, one-handed reciprocating saw, which is a hacksaw, oscillating tool, multi-tool, the brand new inflator. You got the 6-pack sequential charger, the surge, and the drywall screw gun. So I'll leave you guys the link to this one down below in the description section of this video. There is a code for this one. It is thanks 25, THANKS 25, thanks 25. I will repeat. So that is the code. The price is gonna drop down to $174 as a total, and then plus your taxes. All right, let's go over to the other one. Like I said, I'll leave you guys the links to all this down below on the description section of this video. All right, the next one down, I do apologize for the camera change. I'm not used to recording on this. I don't know how to record on this phone here. It's hard to record. All right, the other one is the Acme Tools. No, this is a great deal. This is with another code too. So we got the Dewalt XR 5 amp hour battery 2-pack and a charger in a bag. So basically a starter kit. It does include a free tool with purchase. So this is $199. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go with the free gift with purchase. You're gonna able to select the jigsaw, the impact driver. That's the XR impact driver 3-speed. The impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench. You can just select from the oscillating tool, the 5 amp hour battery, or the reciprocating saw. Circular saw, 3/8 impact wrench, or the angle grinder. The brushless orbit sander, the job site speaker, or the router. So yes, guys, lots of good deals here. Make sure you guys get it. There's a promo code you guys have to put. It's yellow20. Yes, I repeat, it's yellow20. I'll put all these codes down below in the description section of this video. It's YELLOW20. So yellow20 for this one. And this one's gonna drop down $20. So that's a really good deal. From $199, it's gonna drop down to $179. All right, so the next one down, let's see what we got here. It's from Home Depot. All right, you got the M12 fuel brushless cordless 4-in-1 installation 3/8 drill driver search impact driver combo kit. All right, so this was the installation driver. That's the kit with the battery and charger in a bag. Plus, you're getting the search for free. It's a really good deal at $349, but we got a free gift with purchase, of course. You're gonna select the free gift with purchase, and then it's our famous high output 2.5 amp hour battery. We're gonna add both to the cart, and this one there's no codes for it, by the way. Big shout out to owner for this one, for this Deal Team 6. $64 for the battery. Check this out. It's gonna drop down to $284. Go get them, guys. That's a good deal. Definitely check it out. Actually, let me just double check something real quick. Thought it was cheaper. I thought it was cheaper. The first time I did it, it was cheaper. Maybe because I have a whole bunch of stuff in the cart. Now, 284. It was cheaper than that. I'll see if I can find out exactly what that price is. But it should have dropped down to 236. I'm gonna do it in my other phone. See if it does it. Maybe it depends on the tool you're gonna. Yeah. I'm gonna do it here on the other phone real quick. Yeah, it seems like they did raise the price on this one. Still not a bad deal for 284 with the search. But yeah, I believe it was cheaper before. So I do apologize for not uploading earlier on this one. But yeah, you can still get the other two deals. Really good deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.